Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming with my iPhone 12. I don't think the quality is as good as my iPhone 13, but like I said, I'm trying to... I made Korean beef. So we have Korean beef. I added broccoli. We have some salads I got from the salad bar at Whole Foods. And we got an egg roll. Honestly, you don't really need all of this stuff with this meal. This is actually called a Korean bowl. Most people just have this with rice and that's it, but I wanted something special for, like, you know, like a little video, something cool and stuff. I'm drinking water. And this was inspired by my sister Darlene. She made this for me, and I did a little twist. I added extra sauce, which is, I did a taste test. It's absolutely amazing. And I added carrots to it, a little shredded carrots, a little and some green onions. Oh, I forgot to add the onions on top. I'm gonna do that right now. So yeah, I forgot to add the onions on top. Just like to sprinkle some green onions. You could also add sesame seeds, and I thought I had some, but I don't know where they are. All right, well, so let's start eating. This is so good. A lot of flavor. Really good. You could add actually extra spice as well if you wanted to. I couldn't find chili powder. He says sprinkle some chili powder, chili flakes. I didn't have that. I was going to sprinkle a little bit. But I didn't have any, so you could. A little spicy. Really good. A lot of flavor. And adding the broccoli gives it more nutrition. More healthier, I guess. Broccoli's a little crunchy, so it's good. So I changed the recipe a little bit with my sister. That's the other recipe that I saw on YouTube, and they had garlic and I forgot the other spice. They had garlic in the meat, and the other recipe added garlic only in the sauce. I decided to do double, and it's really good. It's really good flavor. Try some salad. The salad adds a nice crunch to the meal. It's 8 p.m. as usual when I film, because when I film everything, it takes so long. This egg roll is a pork egg roll from Whole Foods. It's a great value. The sweet and sour sauce is from Jack in the Box. I didn't have any sweet and sour sauce. Let's try it out. Really good. I air fried this. This is really good sweet and sour sauce too. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating right now. It's just, I don't like to cook when it's hot. If I turn the air conditioner on, I don't think it'll ruin the video. I don't know if you would even hear me with the air conditioner on. So, I can tell my camera isn't as good as my current camera on this phone, but it's a good backup, you know. And it's probably my last mukbang before I go to Santa Barbara. So Dr. Joel today, we're trying to figure out our plans for Santa Barbara. So today I uploaded a video eating Krispy Kreme donuts and talking about my new food journal, which I'm super excited about. Just writing a list of different foods I want to try and make. And this was on my food journal, making this dish that my sister made for me. I'm definitely make this again. You could also make it simpler and not add the carrot or even the broccoli. Some people don't even add the broccoli or the carrot or the green onions. Just make it with rice and beef, and the flavor of the beef is so good. So yeah, I did a video today. I posted it about my new food journal. And at that time, I was really stressed out when I filmed it, and I wanted to do more videos, and I was just still struggling because it was just hard to get back from vacation, and it was just hard to, you know, get back in my grind, you know. And now I'm just more relaxed and back in the groove. So hopefully you should see more consistent videos from me. People in that video said that they haven't seen my videos in a while. I don't post that much like I used to. I mix everything together. But don't forget, guys, I do work 2 jobs. And I've been really trying to post more shorts and TikTok, so I do that as well. And I'm uploading 3 videos a week, two a week on this channel, and then a weekly vlog on my Karebear channel. So I do 3 videos a week. That's a lot, I think, for working 2 jobs. Some people, I see these vlogs, and they only post one vlog a week. I'm doing 3 videos a week. So I think I'm doing a lot. Even if I didn't have to work any jobs, I think it'd be really hard to do videos every day. But I have some viral ideas on my Karebear channel, but I want to just keep it a secret until I figure out. I want to ruin the vibe or whatever, but I might film it in Santa Barbara. I might go to a nice park and film some videos there. Anyways, today was a holiday. It was so nice to have the whole day off. It was amazing. I have to work tomorrow though. today should be, this week should be an easy week. I'm only working 4 days at my day job, so that's cool. So yeah. And then Saturday morning I go to Santa Barbara. So yeah, I'm hoping to film a lot of videos in Santa Barbara. Maybe film some mukbangs, go to some new restaurants, try some new coffee. Also added some ginger in here and I can taste it now. A little bit in the sauce, a little bit in the beef, as I was doing the beef. It's really good. Very good. So yeah, even though I am posting a lot of videos lately, the next video will be Santa Barbara. Yeah, all my videos are gonna be in like order and stuff. Alright guys, that was so freaking good. I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. I added some changes. I'm just gonna show you how I made it and what changes I made. I definitely recommend doubling the sauce, but I'm gonna add that part in the description or in the directions in the description down below. Yeah, but guys, this was a very good recipe. I highly recommend it, and I will see you in the next video. Santa Barbara. Peace.